Hey, everybody. It's Maria Brophy with Art Money Success Podcast. And today I want to answer a question that one of my YouTube subscribers asked. And that is, when I sell a painting, can the buyer of the painting make art prints and reproductions with that artwork? So essentially, the question is, who owns the copyrights when you sell a painting? Well, the way it works in the United States is when an artist sells a painting, the person who buys that painting gets the rights to hang it on the wall. That's it. They do not have the right to reproduce it in any way, shape, or form. Not unless, well, there's an exception to that rule, and I'm going to tell you what that is in just a minute. But before I do, I want to ask you to hit subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe and also leave me a review or a comment, depending on where you're listening to this on. Okay, so when would the buyer of a piece of artwork have the rights to reproduce that art in any way? The only way they would is if you give them the rights in a written contract or license agreement. And just so you know, most artists will charge for that right. So if somebody buys one of Drew's paintings, they pay for the painting, and then if they want the right to reproduce that painting, let's say they want to either reproduce it on T-shirts or they want to print it on a giant wall mural, then we charge them an additional fee, which is like a license fee. Now, some artists will sell all copyrights. So then they'll sell all rights to a piece of artwork. We never do that because, well, I'll tell you why in a minute. But first, so some artists will sell all rights. And when they do, then the person who bought the rights can do anything they want with that art, anything at all. And the artist has no say in it. And the artist also has no legal rights to even print that artwork in a catalog or in put it on their website or show it in any way. Um, what was I going to say? Yeah. So anyway, that's what the way that we've done it is the reason we never sell all the rights to an artwork is because every piece of art that Drew creates in our minds, it has future earning potential. So, one painting, while we might sell the original for, let's say, $6,000, but its earning potential could be 60,000, 200,000, $500,000. We have paintings that he did. He did a painting in 2006 where we sold the painting for 4,500. But since 2006, we have sold so many art prints and we've licensed it to so many different companies for so many different products that we've made $500,000 off of that one piece of artwork. So that's what I mean by future earning potential. I hope you learned a little something out of this video and leave me a comment if you're listening where you can leave a comment. Hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for listening.